Hi and welcome to WannaGoBiking. I am now in Enkhuizen together with my friend over there, Arjan, as we've just arrived here from Stavoren, which is pretty much on the other side of the IJsselmeer. We've just had a wonderful tour with this tourist boat, and we'll now be making our ways up north with a very hefty sort of side wind. And then we'll take a bus over the Afsluitdijk and back to Friesland province and back to the car. So that's the plan. Should be around 130k today in total, so yeah, looking forward to it. So let's just get started and have a quick look at Enkhuizen. You can see loads of greenhouses here, as everywhere in the west of the country. Well, we need them because we don't necessarily have that much sunshine, do we? Castle of Medemblik. Sure, it's got another name, but I can't recall what the name is of this beautiful castle. Herb garden, Radboud. Right, we've got to wait 30 minutes for a bus to take us over the Afsluitdijk, which is of course the world famous dike that separates the WannaGoBiking from the IJsselmeer. And as this road works on the Afsluitdijk, we can't cycle it, which is not too bad, because that means we have 30 minutes of a bus ride waiting for us. At least I thought buses were waiting for us, but yeah, apparently there's only one per hour. So that's unfortunate, but it gives us enough time for an ice cream, so at least that one's good. Alright, see you later. Right, so we've just left the Afsluitdijk, so that was quite comfortable in the bus, and it was just as good because as you can see the weather has turned a bit. So we are facing a side wind. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, and we're now on a final stretch, 22k I think, to Stavoren. Let's hope we remain dry, so that would be nice. Alright, see you later. Obligatory windmill. That's a cute little thing here. Right, that brings us to the end of the journey today. Round trip from Stavoren to Enkhuizen, then over the Afsluitdijk, and then back here. And miracle beyond miracles, we stayed dry, so that was very good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you in a next one. Until then, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. Adios, ciao!